Okay. Well, we all know. We all know how to basically use a hair dryer for our hair, but the hair dryer challenge is for you to use the hair dryer and use it all over your body, your palms of your hands, your arms, your legs, any areas that need to be warmed up. Use the hair dryer. It's like a poor man's vacation, man. It's like a Tobacco Road health spa. And it'll help your body feel yourself. And I tell you, you'll feel great. You'll feel your body deep. You'll get warm, and you just might reset your immune system. Okay, so do the challenge. Try it. Oh, it feels so good, man. Oh yeah. Thanks for listening.